my name is Tevec. Welcome to this study buddy designed to help you with basic belly dance movements so that you can practice accurately and safely and grow. Now we're going to look at hip bumps or side hits. The movement looks like this, and you can travel with it and do lots of fun stuff with it. I love teaching this move because it's so easy, so fun. I want you to imagine you've got bags in your hand. You've done a lot of shopping, you've maxed out your credit card or whatever it is. You've got shopping bags in your hand, but you can't shut the car door. Uh-oh. What are you going to do? You're going to use your hip to shut the car door, yeah? Or the front door, the house door. Step one foot and take the hip to the side at the same time to shut the door, and then the other side, shut the door. Step and hip, step and hip, step and hip. There we are. Now let's let go of our shopping bags, free up our arms, and we just step and the hip goes to the side. So this side hit is different to the knee drops in another video because that's where the hip is coming up. Yeah? This one, the hip is going side. So as you step, you shut the car door, step side, hip to the side, hip to the side. And it's not two movements, it's one simultaneous movement. So as you step, you go straight across. Step straight across. Careful not to overdo it though. Watch out for the hip joints. Keep it comfortable for you. That's it. And then with time and more practice, you'll be able to get a little bit bigger and faster with the movement. And let's just try walking. Why don't we walk back and then walk forward like you would normally walk. Try it when you go to the shops next time. Why don't you try walking like a belly dancer? Here we are. Nice and fun. That's the side hip or hip bump. Did today's video help you? If so, give it a thumbs up and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button. See you next time.